Welcome back to Artos Hub, where we explore the most exciting vehicles hitting the roads in 2026. Today we're diving into the 2026 Plymouth GTX, a modern muscle car that pays homage to its legendary predecessor while pushing performance and style into the future. The GTX has always been a symbol of raw American power, and this latest iteration continues that tradition with bold design, a refined chassis, and a thrilling driving experience. From the moment you approach the 2026 Plymouth GTX, its aggressive stance demands attention. The wide, muscular bodywork is complemented by sharp aerodynamic lines, a sculpted hood, and a low-slung profile that hints at the performance lurking beneath. LED headlamps and taillights, along with signature grille accents, give it a modern yet timeless look. Every angle is designed to blend retro muscle car cues with contemporary styling, making it a head-turner on the street or the track. Under the hood, the Plymouth GTX delivers a heart-pounding performance package. It comes equipped with a high-output V8 engine, engineered for both torque and top-end horsepower. With advanced fuel management and modern engineering, it offers a balance of thrilling acceleration and manageable daily drivability. The transmission is tuned for smooth yet responsive shifts, giving drivers full control whether cruising down the highway or tackling tight corners on a track. Suspension components are refined for a blend of comfort and precision handling, keeping the GTX planted even at higher speeds. Inside, the 2026 GTX continues the theme of performance-focused luxury. The cabin is driver-centric, featuring bolstered sports seats, premium materials, and a clean, intuitive layout. Modern technology, including a large digital display, integrated navigation, and connectivity features, complements the analog charm of traditional muscle cars. Controls are ergonomically placed to ensure the driver can focus on the road while enjoying the car's numerous amenities. The interior also pays homage to the GTX's heritage with subtle design cues, like brushed metal accents and retro-inspired stitching patterns. Every detail of the Plymouth GTX emphasizes the experience of performance driving. From the precise steering feel to the exhaust note that announces its presence, the 2026 GTX is designed to make every drive memorable. It's a car that balances raw muscle car power with modern comfort and technology, appealing to enthusiasts who want the thrill of the past without sacrificing today's convenience. With the 2026 Plymouth GTX, Plymouth has successfully bridged the gap between classic muscle heritage and contemporary engineering excellence. Whether you're a longtime fan of the GTX lineage or a new driver seeking a high-performance, stylish vehicle, this model promises excitement, sophistication, and a commanding presence on the road. The 2026 Plymouth GTX isn't just about straight-line speed. It's engineered to deliver a comprehensive performance experience. At its core, the car features a finely tuned V8 powertrain designed to balance raw horsepower with precision control. Acceleration is instant and linear, offering a sense of confidence whether merging onto a highway or powering through a long stretch of open road. Engineers have focused on optimizing the torque curve, giving drivers ample power at low and mid-range RPMs for a thrilling yet manageable driving experience. The rear-wheel drive layout, paired with a carefully calibrated suspension, ensures the GTX grips the road during aggressive cornering while still providing a smooth ride during daily driving. Handling is another area where the GTX shines. Independent front and rear suspension systems work in tandem to minimize body roll and maximize traction. High-performance brakes provide exceptional stopping power, and advanced electronic stability control keeps the vehicle stable under demanding conditions. Steering is precise and communicative, offering feedback to the driver without being overly harsh. The combination of these systems creates a car that is equally capable on a track as it is on a winding country road. Plymouth's engineers have carefully tuned every aspect to make the GTX not only fast, but also enjoyable to drive in a variety of scenarios. The exterior design continues to impress with functional details that enhance both performance and style. Aerodynamic lines reduce drag while maintaining the muscular appearance of the car. Hood vents and side scoops are not only visually striking but also improve airflow and cooling efficiency. Wheels and tires are carefully selected to optimize grip, while complementing the GTX's aggressive aesthetic. The rear spoiler and diffusers provide downforce at high speeds, ensuring the car remains planted during spirited driving. The 2026 GTX is a modern interpretation of a classic, blending iconic design cues with subtle innovations that enhance both performance and safety. Inside, the focus on driver engagement continues. The cabin features supportive sports seats, a flat-bottom steering wheel, and a cockpit-like layout designed to keep the driver connected to the car. Instrumentation combines analog-style gauges with digital displays for a clean, modern interface. Infotainment features include touchscreen controls, smartphone integration, and premium audio, ensuring convenience without sacrificing focus on the road. Materials are carefully chosen to balance luxury and durability, from soft-touch surfaces to stitched leather accents. Every aspect of the interior reflects a thoughtful approach to ergonomics, comfort, and style, creating a space that is inviting yet performance-oriented. The 2026 Plymouth GTX isn't just about speed, it's about the complete driving experience. One of the standout features is the car's chassis dynamics, engineered to provide exceptional balance and control. The body structure has been reinforced with lightweight materials to reduce weight while maintaining rigidity, which translates to more precise handling and responsive feedback through the steering. The GTX offers a harmonious combination of suspension tuning, weight distribution, and power delivery, making each corner feel controlled and satisfying. Performance features extend beyond raw power. The braking system is built for high-performance driving, with ventilated discs, multi-piston calipers, and optimized brake bias to provide confidence in every braking scenario. The tires, specially designed for grip and durability, ensure that the V8's output is efficiently transferred to the road. Whether cruising through city streets or attacking a twisty back road, the Plymouth GTX offers remarkable control and responsiveness, giving drivers both excitement and peace of mind. The exterior of the 2026 GTX blends aggression with modern sophistication. Its sculpted hood, aerodynamic vents, and widened fenders are not just for show. They improve airflow and cooling, enhancing both performance and efficiency. LED headlights and taillights give the car a contemporary look while improving visibility and safety. The classic Plymouth styling cues are updated with a modern edge, bridging the gap between nostalgia and cutting-edge design. Every line, curve, and angle has been thoughtfully considered to create a car that looks fast even when standing still. Inside, the Plymouth GTX continues to impress with driver-focused ergonomics. The cabin is spacious and comfortable while emphasizing control and engagement. Sport seats with bolstered support keep the driver secure during spirited driving. All essential controls are within easy reach, and the flat-bottom steering wheel enhances both visibility and handling precision. Infotainment and connectivity features are seamlessly integrated, offering convenience without distraction. Premium materials, from leather accents to soft-touch surfaces, elevate the interior, combining comfort with a performance-oriented aesthetic. The 2026 Plymouth GTX also embraces modern technology without compromising its classic muscle car character. Adaptive drive modes allow drivers to tailor the car's performance to their mood or the road conditions. From a relaxed daily driving setup to a fully aggressive track mode, the GTX adapts quickly and intelligently. Driver assist features, like stability control and traction management, are calibrated to enhance safety while maintaining the excitement and raw feel of a true muscle car. This thoughtful balance of technology and tradition ensures the GTX is as relevant today as the classic models that inspired it.